5, use a problem-solving plan. Just hearing the title, what do you think might be in this section?
Problem solving.
What kind of problems?
Plans.
Algebraic.
Algebra.
About word problems.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I hate word problems. No, not word problems. This is where
I'm gonna put you all in reasoning for the Math Olympics.
No.
No, I'd rather do fractions than this.
Exactly. Fractions is worse than me. I hate fractions. I hate problem solving.
All right. So a problem-solving plan. The first thing that we want to do is to create a problem-solving plan when we're going to have to, solve problems. So the first step is to read and understand the problem. We can't know what we have to do until we actually read it, right? Then step 2 is to make a plan to solve the problem.
So wait, is that's an N?
Where?
Oh no, that's not all. I got it.
Cool. Step 3, solve the problem.
Excuse me.
All right, and then step 4, check to make sure your answer is reasonable. The bathroom's that way. Do not throw up in my classroom. I'm like, I am 6 full years. This is year 7. I'm 6 years in, and I've never had someone throw up in my classroom. Please don't start that today.
I threw up in 5th grade.
I threw up on the teacher.
You're old enough to not do that now.
I didn't think this pee.
Oh my god.
Yes, please don't. I mean,
She was teaching me my Bible verse and I didn't know it, so I got so scared I puked on her.
oh, that's not good. All right, some formulas that we need to know as far as doing these types of problems. Temperature. C equals 5/9 times F minus 32. Look, you got your fraction.
Yay!
Where F is degrees Fahrenheit, and I always spell this word wrong, so just give me a second. Fahrenheit.
No, I can't. I'm not done. I'm telling you. Oh my gosh, I'm not done yet.
C is degrees Celsius. Not like the drink.
I love
Well, it's probably spelled the same way.
But can you go?
So much better.
Yes, my dad bought a whole pack of bologna just so he could say you can't have any.
Bro, I don't even know what is number 2?
What's number 2?
How do you write so
Yeah, I can't.
I was going to say I'm not talking, but I am talking, so that wouldn't be a valid argument. I'll just pause right there for a second. Friday. And next week we finally have a home game.
Don't say.
I'm done.
She's still swinging right now.
I'm almost done.
Abby's like, I'm done. Can you hurry up?
I'm only on formulas.
Are we at least past step 4 so I can keep scooching it up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How do you write without looking? How do you look?
You don't know how to do
This is
that?
easy.
I feel like I go off the lines.
Yeah.
That's why I don't have
Yeah,
lines.
That's when I'm not lying.
No.
I am because I'm not writing off the line.
Can you go over for a second? Thank you. Have you come back and then we're all talking?
It's that sub.
Yeah, that's he got mad at me because what is it? I asked him if he was playing Candy Crush. He said no, I'm playing Cookie something.
Like, bro, this dude is actually like.
He legit lied in my face. He was playing Candy Crush.
There's one that's called like Cookie Crumble or something like that. That's the
Bro,
same
it's
thing.
like a ripoff. It's like
Exactly.
I stopped playing Candy Crush. Like, bro,
Every single time you sub.
I know. I was like on Thursday, I literally put in my lesson plans. This is my quietest class, like aside from my class of 1. And I
You have a class of 1 person?
have 2 classes with just 1.
Who?
What class?
I have stats with Daniel and then I have calculus with Tristan,
My brother.
Hannah's brother.
Uh,
And then I have
His
physics that only has 2 people in it. But they were still louder than the 8 of you together, so.
he just looks like Dylan.
No, he doesn't.
Look at his face and tell me he don't look like
No.
Dylan.
It's like saying you look like a Gertrude or something.
What if he did that?
I never understand when people like look at somebody and they're like, yeah, they look like a Karen. I'm like, how do you like know that? Like,
It's the attitude they got.
okay, well, yes, okay, that name has like a, but I'm gonna look and be like, you look like a John. Like,
You look like a.
No, I've got the most basic name except for my last name. It's so basic.
I
It's
look like a
Taylor Marie, and then there's the last
You
name.
look like a Luke.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, Luke?
No, we're gonna
I
end that
see it.
right there.
Bro, my name's
He
Josiah.
does
Why are
We're,
you
Taylor.
talking?
we're gonna end that right
Taylor.
Drew, we're gonna end that right there.
okay, back to the formula since I think it sounds like we're caught up. Simple interest, I equals PRT, where I is interest.
What is per mean?
Oh,
Well, you're gonna find out. P is the principal, not like Mr. Fletcher.
Mr. Fletcher, he is a G.
The principal is the initial amount. So like the amount of money you start with in your account. R is the interest rate
Yo, it's better than that.
as a decimal. A lot of times they'll tell you that something has like
PRT.
3% interest rate, but we would have to convert that to a decimal to make it 0.03. And then T is for time, typically in years. I'm writing what everything stands for.
Oh, okay. Hey, hey, hey.
All right, distant. Go away.
Took my pencil.
no, I didn't.
I got a box of about 100, so worst case, I got you covered. Distance traveled, D equals RT, where D is equal to distance traveled. R is the rate, typically in like miles per hour, and T is time. And then profit
She like stuck her neck out.
is P equals I minus E, where P is equal to profit, I is income, and E is expenses.
told you I can't cough anymore.
Why?
Because there's a dude at the pool, he legit drowned me underwater.
He drowned you?
He drowned in the
Wait, you know the pool?
Lucas.
I feel like we need to go to English class.
Y'all rode the
You know
big
the
bad
poop
wolf?
that's
Yeah,
laying
it's-
on
It's so scary, bro.
I thought you were gonna say it's so boring.
What is he talking about?
Dude, that's more scarier than Pantheon.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Well, actually,
No, it's not.
when you're about to go to the bottom.
In the front or the back?
In the front, I rode the
No, I sat in the front.
The front's
Oh.
not that bad.
Bro,
Then don't ride the back.
Taylor,
The back.
I
you
rode the
know
back in
the
Pantheon.
poop at the pool that's
It
taking
was
all
so
bad
fun.
Yeah, I meant the back on
what's
it called? Big Bad Wolf.
Broke off the rib.
Was it this person?
I low-key lost my voice. I was
Was
crazy.
it?
Wait, was it Amy?
My friend rode the Big Bad Wolf, and
I'm not dropping it.
I thought she would like it. She doesn't like roller coasters, but she really likes Dark Coaster, and she did okay on Verbolten. So I was like, she'll be totally fine on the Big Bad Wolf.
I love
She literally
the Big
called
Bad
me and was
Wolf.
like, I will never ride that
My
again.
first time on
I was
Big Bad
like,
Wolf, I saw a deer.
Why?
It was so cool.
The picture of her on it was hilarious, though.
So you know
You
where
should
the
take
beer,
us on
the
a
tables
field
and the
trip.
beers are. Like,
I
when
am
you
trying
walk
to
outside,
work on a field trip for 9th grade and then for students who take physics at Busch Gardens.
You should take it.
But, well, next year.
Big Bad Wolf
We'll
is
see.
the only serious
13
one
and
is
up.
that first when you're going up that place.
All right. Let's jump into some problems. All right. In exercises 3 through 5. Hello.
Hey, it's Robert.
Hi.
One day you said something and it sounded exactly like this.
So I did that usually for myself, but
Oh yeah.
that was just because I could do it, but I have not found this year where it was letting me do it, I don't think. I may have done it, but I'm not sure. I haven't had the kids try to get on yet. But I think what you did worked. I'm just still trying to work on pre-cal. Yeah, I don't know. Well, and I'm irritated because resubmitted the syllabus, fixing everything they told me to, and then they sent me a thing back and said that it's still not right. So I'm like, I sent back a thing to the person who is like the reader of it, and I was like, can you please tell me what's missing, because mine literally looks just like what you're telling me is missing. Like, I have all that in there, so I'm like, can you tell me what I need to do to fix it? So I'm gonna see, but if not, it says I can just quote unquote adopt the like College Board syllabus or something, and I can just do that. So if they come back and tell me that it's still not good, I'm just gonna do that, and I'll just have my syllabus for us to have on file here.
I think you should get a 16 yard.
Okay, I think I did mine, but I'm not 100% sure. I haven't had them get on yet. I'm probably gonna try to do that at the end of the week. Yes, but they have to register themselves. I think it used to, like back in the day when Miss Ridenauer did it, I think she did it manually for us, but now the student has to do it themselves through their College Board account. Yep, thanks. Bye. Okay.
She's trying to bribe somebody to sell their forehead.
Okay. Identify what you know and what you need to find out. Identify any missing or irrelevant information. You do not need to solve the problem. Number 4. One day, Paul,
Write out the word problem.
yes, ran at a rate of 0.15 miles per minute. You can abbreviate though if you want. For 40 minutes. The next day, Paul and Jen ran together at a rate of 0.16
15 miles.
miles per minute.
Point 16.
16?
0.16 for 50 minutes. How far did Paul run altogether?
I hope y'all are writing this.
No, I bring a laptop in it. Can I play Candy Crush?
Most sections don't have this much writing.
I really want to play Candy Crush.
Not funny.
Clearly you think so.
I'll have to edit this.
Exactly.
All right, so we're trying to look at what we know and what we're trying to solve for. So we know that they ran at a rate of 0.15 miles per minute for 40 minutes, and that the next day he ran with Jen at a rate of 0.16 miles per minute for 50 minutes.
She's nice.
Did you run a mile with her?
What would
You gotta run a mile.
Oh.
So what are we trying to solve?
These people are saying
So we're trying to solve,
how far they went.
yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
How far they ran together.
Oh, it was right there.
Yes.
I think they were.
So we know the stuff that I highlighted, and then we're trying to solve for
I think I got the answer.
total distance traveled. We don't have to solve these ones. I mean, you can if you want to, but we don't have to.
Really?
Get this calculator.
Right.
We don't have to solve these ones. These ones are just tell what we know, tell what we're trying to find.
Answer.
You trying to bribe me for the answer.
6.
All right, 8. This one says state the formula that is needed to solve the problem. You don't need to solve. The temperature is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the temperature in Celsius?
What do you mean you don't have to solve? Just write it down. Alright.
Yeah. We're just writing what
That's
we're basically just setting up the problem.
my hand is hurting.
So this one is a temperature problem. There was a formula that I already gave you, huh?
He ran 14 miles.
What?
Why are you exposing?
Oh, miles per minute. It's pretty solid. All right, so I gave you the formula for temperature already. Somebody tell me what it was. Yep. So that's all you have to do for that one, because that's all it's asking you for is the formula. Now, if we were going to solve, all we would do is take this 68 degrees Fahrenheit and plug it in here, and then we could solve and get the Celsius temperature, but they're not asking us to do that.
I don't like your criticism. This is like, I'm working at my days. My friends were in.
All right, we'll do one more, and then we'll finish the section tomorrow.
What friends, bro?
My gosh, mine is
All right, 10. Find the area of a triangle with a base of 25 feet and a height of 8 feet.
It's 20 degrees Celsius.
Good job, Drew.
Yes, please.
Oh my god.
All right, what is, let me ask it this way. Does anybody know the formula for area of a triangle?
No.
Area of
you
a triangle?
got it.
Isn't it like
Is it like three?
No, it's-
Like 1, 2, 3?
Yeah, and you multiply them.
What's
Think
You're
you're,
just throwing up signs at us.
No, I'm not. I'm doing the triangle.
He's going,
they're like 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, like this. You see? So there's one right here.
just do this.
There's no, bro, how do you even
You're not the brightest.
Okay, so there's a triangle, right?
She said I'm not the
200.
This is the base of the triangle. The height of the triangle is from here. So to find the area of a triangle, we have the formula 1/2 base times height. So if we were going to solve it, we don't have to solve this. We would plug in 25 for the base and 8 for the height, and then we would have our area of the triangle.
Why is it so hot in here?
I don't know. It was freezing earlier. All right, we're going to stop there for today because we're almost out of time, and we'll finish up tomorrow.
100.